Hey everyone, I'm Juhi and I'm from Delhi. So this is the day 6 of my English practice. Here I improving my English fluency, and here I upload my daily English practice videos, and today is the day 6 of my English learning. And yes, it's too noisy, that's why I have to make this video in my room. Okay, and yes, because I live in Delhi, it's too frosty outside. So today I learned a lot of things, and my one of my friends suggests me some songs which are Love Me Like I Do, Unstoppable, Believer, and yes, also Cheap Thrills. And I listened that songs, and it was such a mesmerizing moment for me because I really love those songs. Okay, so yes, yesterday I take a speaking class with some other people of this world, and one of them is from London, and another lady is from Kanpur. And yes, in that class I learned a lot of things, and I speak English tutti frutti, but in at least I spoke 1 hour, uh, and it was a good conversation with them. And today is also my class with them, and yes. So guys, yes, yesterday my teachers yesterday my teacher said to me, if I want to improve my English fluency, so I should listen more and listen in English. Okay, so today I listened to English songs, and yes, I also watched a Korean romantic drama movie which is in English. Okay, so I completed half I completed half part of that movie. Okay, today I work on my listening. Okay, what things I should listen. I belong to UP. uh, it is a district of UP. It is a small district of UP, and yes, I live in Delhi. My mother also live in Delhi, but we follow our culture, our rituals. So today is my mother's fast. Today my mother is fasting for my brother, and its name is Sakat Chauth. In this festival, mothers used to fast for their childrens, and especially for their male male child. Okay, guys, in this fast, mothers used to fast their childrens, especially their male child. Okay, so my mother also fasting for my brother, and it is fast without the water. Okay, so she right now she is making til laddu, which til laddu sesame seeds. You can say sesame seeds laddu. Okay, in which she makes sesame seed with good jaggery, and also with some peanuts. Okay, and mix it well, and make a laddus, and that laddu offer to God. And today my mother worship moon, and this this festival falls in the Magh month of our calendar. Okay, Magh month lies in a January. Generally, Magh month lies in a January, and yes, so it's enough to know about this festival. Okay, so what will I do from night right now? So I will help my mother to make a laddus, okay, and I will make dinner for ourselves. I'll yes, I'll do my writing session, and I'll do my speaking class with ma'am and also my friend and also with ChatGPT. And yes, today, so I think I should make a small blog of my mother's recipe, how she make a til laddu. Okay, so I think I should go now, and this blog is so concise. So sorry for today, but right now my health is not going well, but I try too hard to make blogs that so that my guys, I don't want to make I don't want to break my this challenge. That's why I make a daily blog, no matter what I studies, no matter what I do not study, but I have to make this blog on a daily basis because I take a challenge. Okay, and if we take a challenge or a goal, we should consistent with this goal or your challenge. Okay, so yes, you also can improve your English, whatever you want improve in yourself. So start from today. So whatever you want to improve in yourself, say no more overthinking. Start from today, even not today, start from right now. Okay, make your goals. Okay, then achieve that goals. Okay, and start your work on yourself. And yes, so this is, I think I sum up this video here. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. So bye bye.